Hi everyone, this is Dr. Suganya working as an associate professor in Department of Computer Science at Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. So in this video we are going to see about the introduction of data science. So the data science, it is an introduction in order to define scope, application and career roles of the data science. So this will be a video which presents the introduction to data science, what it is, why it is important, where it has been used and the key roles involved in the data science. Let us now go inside the video. So next slide is about understanding the data science technologies. So data science is all about the collecting, analyzing and interpreting the data so that better decisions can be made. So in today's world, everything we produce is using the data only. So while we are using the mobile phones, shopping online, traveling, browsing and even using the smart home devices. So organizations uses this data in order to understand the users like the way of working, improving the services which has been provided to the employees of an organizations and to solve the problems more effectively. So in simple way, if we want to speak about the data science, it is a combination of tools, data or datum and technologies and techniques which has been involved and the information which has been retrieved from the data. So this is called as the data science. So let us now speak about the key definitions of data science. So it has been understood in three ways, like process focused, technology driven and multidisciplinary field. So process focused, it is the process of collecting, cleaning, analyzing and interpreting the data. So when we speak about the technology driven, so it maximum it utilizes or uses the statistics formats and machine learning algorithms and programming to turn the raw data into a useful information, or we can also call it as a insights. So when we move to the multidisciplinary field, it connects the data into technology. Also, it services the business needs in order to solve the real world problems. So these are the key definitions of the data science. So next we going to see about the scope of a data science. So the scope of a data science is growing rapidly because the data has been generated from various sources like social media, online transactions, mobile applications, IoT devices, industrial machines, etc. So the various industries like IT sectors, banking, healthcare, manufacturing, transportation, agricultures, all these industries are using the data sciences. So with the AI and the automation rises, so the data science skills will also continue and it becomes a huge demand in the all these industries. So let us now see about few real world applications which has been using the data science now and then everywhere. So for instance, we can take the healthcare as an example. So the data science or the techniques of the data has been used in the healthcare in order to predict the diseases, in order to provide the treatment personalized to the patients. Medical image analysis also we are using this techniques of data science also in order to monitor the health or tracking the health of a patient. We are using this data science techniques. When we speak about the banking and finance, mainly this technique has been used to detect the fraudulent, fraud detection and also credit scoring, investment predictions to predict the investments, how many investments the customers has been made, also in order to segment the customer, like customer segmentations. So when we take as retail as an example, so in e-commerce and retail sectors we are applying the techniques of the data science, like mainly it stands for the product recommendations and demand forecasting, price optimization, understanding the customer feedback. So when we speak about the transportation, it plays a vital role in the transportation industries in order to optimize the routes, different kinds of routes, in order to predict the traffic, like where it is, in which route the traffic has been arised. Likewise, we can also predict, and it is mainly useful for the self-driving vehicles. So now and then many automated self-driving vehicles has been now in the market. So using this technique of a data science, we can implement this in a self-driving vehicles, and mainly for monitoring the efficiency of the delivery in the transportations. So next, let us see about the more application sectors, like not only in the industries which I have been told in the previous slides. So we have so many application sectors of this. Like for instance, we can take social media. So social media, it is mainly used for recommendations, engine, sentiments analysis, etc., etc. So when we take this in a manufacturing sector, mainly it is used for the quality control, predictive maintenance, etc. So when we take it is in the education sector, mainly is used to predict the student performance, and also it is mainly helpful in the personalized learning also. So when we speak about the government sectors, mainly it has been used in the smart cities, crime analysis, and the disaster management. So these are all some of the key roles in the data science, like data scientists. These are all the career opportunities when a person studies the data science, like data analyst, data scientist, data engineer, and even machine learning engineer. So this pictorial representation clearly examines the data science workflow, where has been started from the problem understanding till monitoring, etc., etc. So this is the future of the data driven. Thank you.